Hi, friends, welcome to Slow English Practice.
Today, we're teaching how to order food in English at a restaurant. It's for A1 and A2 beginners.
Yes. We'll speak slowly to help you learn how to order food easily.
Ordering food is useful for travel or dining out. Let's start with key words.
First word, menu. It's the list of food. Repeat, menu. Menu. Menu.
Next, I'd like. This means I want. Repeat, I'd like. I'd like.
Can I have? Another way to ask for food. Repeat, can I have?
Water. A drink. Repeat, water. Water. Water.
Juice. Another drink. Repeat, juice. Juice. Juice.
Coffee. A hot drink. Repeat, coffee. Coffee. Coffee.
Please. This is polite. Repeat, please. Please.
Thank you. Say this when you get something. Repeat, thank you.
Check, please. This asks for the bill. Repeat, check, please.
Soup. A starter food. Repeat, soup. Soup. Soup.
Salad. A light dish. Repeat, salad. Salad. Salad.
Main course. The big dish. Repeat, main course.
Dessert. Sweet food at the end. Repeat, dessert. Dessert.
Great job. Now, let's hear a dialogue. I'm Anna, the customer, and David is John, the waiter.
Welcome to our restaurant. Here's the menu.
Thank you. Can I have water, please?
Sure. Would you like juice or coffee too?
Orange juice, please.
Okay. What would you like to eat?
I'd like a pizza, please.
One pizza. Would you like soup or salad before?
Yes, vegetable soup, please.
Great. Anything else for the main course?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Your soup will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Here's your soup and juice. Enjoy.
Looks good. Thank you.
Here's your pizza. Enjoy your main course.
Thank you. Can I have more water, please?
Of course. Here's more water.
Would you like dessert? We have cake, ice cream, or fruit.
I'd like ice cream, please.
Okay, one ice cream. Coming soon.
Here's your ice cream. Enjoy.
Thank you. Check, please.
Here's the check. Thank you.
That was our dialogue. Let's break it down.
First, welcome to our restaurant. Here's the menu. The waiter starts like this.
Repeat, here's the menu.
Next, can I have water, please? Asking for a drink.
Repeat, can I have water, please?
Waiter, would you like juice or coffee too? Offering more.
Repeat, would you like juice or coffee too?
Customer, orange juice, please.
Repeat, orange juice, please.
Waiter, what would you like to eat? Asking for the order.
Repeat, what would you like to eat?
Customer, I'd like a pizza, please.
Repeat, I'd like a pizza, please.
Waiter, would you like soup or salad before?
Repeat, would you like soup or salad before?
Customer, yes, vegetable soup, please.
Repeat, vegetable soup, please.
Waiter, anything else for the main course?
Repeat, anything else?
Customer, no, that's all. Thank you.
Repeat, no, that's all.
Waiter, your soup will be ready soon.
Repeat, your food will be ready soon.
Waiter, here's your soup and juice. Enjoy.
Repeat, enjoy.
Customer, can I have more water, please?
Repeat, can I have more water, please?
Waiter, would you like dessert?
Repeat, would you like dessert?
Customer, I'd like ice cream, please.
Repeat, I'd like ice cream, please.
Customer, check, please.
Repeat, check, please.
Let's try another dialogue with different food.
Welcome to our restaurant. Here's the menu.
Thank you. Can I have coffee, please?
Sure, coffee. Would you like milk with it?
No, black coffee, please.
Okay. What would you like to eat?
I'd like a burger, please.
One burger. Would you like a salad before?
Yes, a green salad, please.
Got it. Anything else for the main course?
Can I have fries with the burger?
Sure, fries. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Your salad will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Here's your salad and coffee. Enjoy.
Looks great. Thank you.
Here's your burger and fries. Enjoy your main course.
Can I have some water, please?
Of course. Here's water.
Would you like dessert? We have fruit or cake.
I'd like fruit, please.
One fruit dessert. Coming soon.
Here's your fruit. Enjoy.
Thank you. Check, please.
Here's the check. Thank you.
Now, practice time. Pause and try the customer's lines.
Use different foods, like chicken, rice, or pasta.
For example, I'd like chicken, please.
Or, can I have tea, please?
Practice. Can I have? Say a drink.
Practice. I'd like. Say a food.
Try. Would you like a salad before?
And, check, please.
For homework, record yourself ordering food.
Share it in the comments. We want to hear you.
Thanks for watching Slow English Practice.
Subscribe for more easy lessons. Bye.
See you next time.